environment is presented as a clinic which examines virtual reality as a historical and cultural phenomenon. The installation consists of a large projection of the virtual space, which is flanked on either side by mirror image video sequences. The video sequences are triggered by events in the virtual space and are intended to enhance and comment upon these events. 3 recliners face the 3 projections. The central recliner is the computer interface. Visitors traverse the clinic by spinning the wheels on either side of their chair. A gun and joystick aid in navigation and activating objects. A cyber guide with multiple personas, as well as a variety of other visual and auditory cues, help the visitor through the virtual environment. A visit to the clinic begins in the familiar architecture of a waiting room where the visitor must answer a few questions. From there, prodded by the cyber guide, the visitor proceeds to the exam room where the electronic body and its importance in defining identity is explored. From there, the visitor might be taken to the lab as a blood sample and descend into a centrifuge carousel in an exploration of the current laboratories for virtual reality technology and their ties to sex, violence, and the entertainment industry. Or a visitor might be told to traverse down the hall to the imaging room and be pulled into the vascular tunnel of an imaging device to examine some of the histories and uses of virtual reality and imaging technologies. Finally, the doctor's office is a gateway to cyberspace and relationships between information, knowledge, and access in our overloaded culture. Although visitors may travel many of the same rooms in the clinic, each experience is different, determined by the pacing and choices made by the individual visitor.